Fire Alarm Business Blueprint is the ultimate step-by-step program to take a technician, electrician, or any aspiring entrepreneur and teach them how to start, operate, and grow an actual fire alarm company to transform your life and give you the life of freedom. So let's get straight into the video so I can explain to you what exactly the Fire Alarm Business Blueprint is. The Fire Alarm Business Blueprint is the ultimate step-by-step program to take technicians, electricians, and aspiring entrepreneurs looking to start their own fire alarm company within the next 90 days without any fire alarm experience. As a fire alarm contractor, we've installed over 35 fire alarm systems, over 50 IP and access control systems, and we have over 100 monitored accounts between fire alarm and burglar alarm systems. So here's some of our past work history. And the first one is MDC. That is the Manhattan Detention Center. We got hired to fix 32 troubles on the fire alarm system. We performed that work and we solidified that contract. The second one is Delaware Valley Job Corps. We have multiple projects there, from programming to swapping out smoke detectors to actually upgrading their fire alarm system. And the third one is the Metropolitan Transportation Authority. We've been awarded 4 of the fire alarm projects that they have for new train stations that's being built throughout the Bronx. So just a little bit about me. My name is Anthony Richardson. I started out with a company called Fire Quench over 25 years ago. Since then, I've been certified on systems like Simplex, Edwards, Software House, Kitty, and that's just to name a few. And in 2017, we started Securities Corp. Fast forward, we've done over $5 million installing fire alarm and security systems throughout the government sector, private, and also the commercial sectors. I'm here to show you that hard work and dedication can truly pay off. So stick with me throughout the Fire Alarm Business Blueprint so we can show you how you could actually achieve the life of freedom that you're actually looking for. From all the trials and tribulations to actually starting and growing your business, I found that there are only 3 common struggles that most entrepreneurs face when they actually trying to start business. And the first one is thinking they need a whole bunch of money to start their business. That's absolutely false. Once you understand what your personal credit score is, how to get your personal credit score to a certain point, you can build business credit and use other people's money to fund your business. And the second thing, when it comes to a fire alarm company, you have to be licensed as a fire alarm contractor. Now, the licensed navigator is going to prepare you for the next step to take the 81-hour course so you can pass your New York State exam the first time. And lastly, it's hard to secure clients, especially when you're starting a business. We know nothing about marketing. So our done-for-you marketing system takes all the pain away from you trying to figure out what ad to create or what you need to say or how to create your message. So as we step back and look at the Fire Alarm Business Blueprint, we can see all 9 steps, and all 9 steps you need to take to achieve an understanding of how to start, growing, and operating an actual fire alarm company. So the Fire Alarm Business Blueprint will be the clearest, most predictable step-by-step course you've ever going to take, coming from a licensed fire alarm contractor who's actually doing it on a day in and day out basis. I live and I breathe fire alarm. So don't delay. Click the link below and book a free strategy session. In 30 minutes, we'll find out exactly where you are, build you a proven strategy that's going to get you from one point to the next, and also see if you're a good fit for the Fire Alarm Business Blueprint. So I'll see you on the other side.